Hi, it's Nickis. Today I want to talk about how you can make multiple streams of income. In this video, I'm focused on one platform. You can make multiple streams of income. This platform is called SFI. If you have been on online business, and I think for over about 10 or about 20 years, maybe you have heard of this, because as you can see in the sales page, it's also not the sales page because you don't have to pay anything. You can sign up for free and also to start your learning. Everything SFI, everything you need to start growing a second income from home today. Grow a second income with the world's #1 affiliate program. Now in our 23rd year, this is also wow, unbelievable. This is also over. In this year, 2021 is 23 years. It's also but before there is also before one before, because also you should before 2000 year 2000. So this is also why you should try this, because it's completely free and start your second income store and income stream. And also you can work from the comfort of your home, and no matter where you are, and more than 100,000 quality goods and services from vendor worldwide, and start free, no obligation and no purchase requirement ever. Can start learning money within hours. We take care of all the order, payment, shipping, customer service for you. Everything is handle for you. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to buy anything. You can sign up for free. Thousands of SFI affiliates around the world. This is also around the world. Can learn commission every day. No experience necessary. We train you for free, because you can. And in the later, I will show you inside the members. There's ton of resources that you can train and how to become a successful SFI affiliate. It's also an excellent long-term residual income potential, and you can learn money worldwide. It's over in over 200 countries. Learn and earn at your own place. Also you can have your own time. Anytime you have and also you have your space time. You can learn at your own price, and also because this is free to sign up. How many affiliate commission that you want to learn? This is up to you, and you can see this. You can see more reason. Try it for free, no application, and you can see other people saying how to sign up. Simply first name, last name, choose your country, password, confirm password, and then the email address. Confirm the email. You can get started, and then confirm your email, and then you will receive an email to your inbox. After you click the link, to confirm your email it's legit. And then I take you to the members area, because there is so much ready for you to can tap into. Is I think you should take time to understand everything inside in the members area. So I don't want to spend too much time, because you can study for at your own price. I just want to show you this inside the members area and roughly what you will get. And you can see when you tap it, you can have your ID, your name, and what is the data, and what is the VP. This is also your point. They are also have a simply you can get paid in point. They also have maybe this is also not how much money the point, how many points you get, and then they will convert and convert it into cash, and also you can pay out from different countries. So let's take a look. You can see the income, marketing, reference, training, tools, leader, miscellaneous, support, and also you can see that. And also wrote down compensation plan. What is the benefit? Report, commission, getting paid, the FAQ if you want to know. Learning, calculator, global growth. This is also a worldwide business. You can have the global business. Commission report. You can have your commission report. Commission collection option. paper action. I think it is also another maybe a paper action. Maybe they have other pay action that you can take into the direct deposit. Maybe this is also a direct deposit. Marketing. I also focused on this video about marketing. But I also will show you other place you can and you can see the marketing as my phone as and also I will show you the my gateway. This is also how many platform and product you can promote. Reference affiliate agreement. You can take a look at what is your affiliate agreement. Compensation plan, rules and policy, benefit chart, how to go the diamond. Maybe I have friend when you go to diamond plan you can have more commission. SFI the news, ECA reports, grocery, compare SFI internationally because you are not in USA. There's also international how you can build your business. Gateway the list, auto delivery, site mail, others your country recap, cooks and your country and currency because they all have deliver to in your own country currency. And also the most important thing I highly recommend you should get started with your LaunchPad training. The LaunchPad and you can see this is also included in 17 chapter and because they will step by step and every chapter to go through everything you should know about the SSI. So first of all I highly recommend you should get started with training with the LaunchPad because they will walk you through inside the member service and how the structure, how it works, how it pay, what you can promote, everything is inside in the LaunchPad. You can take time to walk through, to read through everything, walk through this 17 chapter. And also you can have a general sales and sign up your members because it may be such how to build your team. Maybe it's such an ML, this is multi-level marketing. They will also how to build your team, how to make your. This also have the down apply sponsor and sponsor get affiliate. Getting started, you how to get started. You can take a look. Rules of success, diamond plan, mindset lesson, affiliate tip. You will have because you are affiliate. You can take a look. What is the affiliate that you can promote this? Ask Gary because Ask Gary this is all the creator SFI TV tools. They also have a team when you want to build your team. This is also team building S building S building affiliate Snapchat and also e-cards. Maybe also you have they are SFI e-card that you can withdraw your payout in your country. Contacts, opt-in bill, borrowing, communication is also have tons of where you can for your communication. Marketing is a different way you can market SFN marketing aids and method. There's also other plan you can tap into and also they also have the leader. If you want to have to build up your team and how to become a leader and you can see top sponsor leader or maybe your top power rank leader, Bristol Pounds leader, Bristol State leaderboard and country leaderboard. I think this is also for specific in your country and how to build the team in your country. E356 FF5 Beach Kids leaderboard or build leaderboard challenge how you challenge how to become leadership as the challenge. They also have a different leaderboard. I think this also has when you tap into the basic premium basic silver gold premium diamond such something like that. But because they also have different strategy and how to build your team and also and when you have a minimum of how many affiliates you have get in your team and then you will go to next level and also of the top of the and you can make more commission if you have your team and more affiliate under your team. And also the miscellaneous you can input feedback. You can submit your suggestion testimonial. If you have a bug report submit and add. I think this is also you can put submit and add out in order to learn how to promote your SFI business more easily report and email report quarterly report non-friendly way your sponsor because you also have your sponsor upline and also the local search wallpaper SFI headline and you can get the support you can chat with support you can chat with support grocery getting started contact us your taken and you can also contact your sponsor and also your upline password SFI ID forum you have a forum site map is also another anything because there's ton of thing you can have your training tools and also the resources everything you can tap into but I highly recommend you can start when you're getting started you should read through the chapter 1 to chapter the LaunchPad because chapter 1 to chapter 17 you will have everything you want to know how to succeed for your second income in your SFI affiliate business because it is a global you can tap into anywhere any country in the world and also to attract affiliate so in my this video I'm just focused on this marketing and you can make marketing apps and also the marketing method is also you can have 50 to 100 method some of them you can see there's also some of them is a beginner some of them a beginner international intermediate advanced also have a different level if you want to pick any if you are this also a default if you want to have any flow you can and also you can step into the beginner and also the course you can have fee or you have to pay something in order to attract affiliate you have to course and you can tap into and if you are newbie you can select newbie beginner and then you can cost free and then you have 24 marketing platform and how you can tap into so let's take a look at this the easy way for you to getting started that is also tell your friends and family to check out the triple clicks and this get this is also this is also that is you can check this and how to promote this is also the easy way for your friend and family neighbor to tap into because they don't have to buy anything they can to start this affiliate business as a second income because this product this company is in their 23rd year business is also a very strong background and also you can also tap into their when you also tap into their okay and then when you tap into refer your friend and secondly you refer your friend and family to specific URL or individual you can find the URL to give in a product within the SFI affiliate tab on each product the default page you can see this also have different pocket page you can tap into and then it is also share information about triple clicks for you can view Facebook Twitter Pinterest and other social media network sites you visit just click the share it and then the button on each product default page and follow the instruction be sure you are logged in the tripleclicks.com so your SFI ID will be attached to your share information and you will receive a credit for sales and then there's also another add a signature that's promote triple clicks to your email if you have the email list you can have a signature for your email list most modern email browser allow you to set up a signature that gets automatically applied to every email you send choose one of the text you can have a text for your signature and then there's also a send one of this triple clicks e-card there's also e-card they also have e-card they can immediately to resend they can also to use to friends and family members learn if you want to learn you can learn more about e-cards here and all if you want to know what is e-card you can it's also the basic beginner friendly you can start to promote this to your friends and family and also the neighbor because they just to sign up it is completely free no purchase obligation and then I also will go through the my gateway啦。There is also 咧 the gateway 嘅 list 啦。Let's take a look at gateway 嘅 list 啦。What is the gateway list? This is also a list of your affiliate product you can promote lah. FS, this is also the first of priority. This is also the fee before lah. This is also fee gateway lah. This grow a second level income gateway feature 22 hours. Why your prospect affiliate will love SFI and several of our best testimonial. This is the first of all you can refer other people to join this for free gateway. Powerline gateway this gateway will invite prospect to join your Powerline. It's personalized with your name. It is also personalized with your name, photo, SFI the brand, etc. and present the great benefit of joining your Powerline. If you want to build a table and how to power your line, and so you can customize your, because they have your name, photo, and what's your friend rank also. And also you will also include a real-time listing of the most recent addition to your Powerline aspect of your marketing powers, and how you can help them jumpstart with their new online business. And also you can have another e-commerce gateway. This gateway present a brief introduction of e-commerce, including some of the most potent and resistible article topic. Note if you are an e-commerce premium subscribe with the days pass available, set on your e-commerce pass manager, and you can also to promote something. This is also think is also similar to e-commerce. Rewatable gateway is also another gateway, and also you can test a ton of gateway that you can test. You can see it for yourself, because they will take a long time to see what is there. You can also tap it. You can tap into to see what is there and the description. No get rich gateway. Join my team gateway, and you can see the name and how you can use it. You also have a brief and explanation how you can use this gateway, and also this is also have different product and to your potential customer. This is not also the customer. This is also the your affiliate member, because they don't have to buy anything. They are free to join. Statistical booster gateway, testimonial gateway, vertical ECA gateway. But the most catch my attention is Ego Siba games gateway. Lastly, you can take a look at what is the gateway. They should also to participate in this one gateway, and triple check direct sell if you are advanced marketer. So you can take a look at what is the inside in the member survey. First of all, I highly recommend with your LaunchPad, and also to understand and the training. There is also the training to see the launch training, to see the LaunchPad, because they will have a cover 70 lesson, 70 chapter. You can everything you can launch. You can tap into this all to the LaunchPad. You will have the over 17 chapter. You can go for it. So that is the end of the video. So this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also I will put a link in the description. The first link that you will join it for free. Other than that, I also have other link, and you can grab the freebie, such as the free training course, free training you can register, and also the free report you can instantly download. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I also have a different playlist, such as product review, and marketing ideas, and multiple stream of income, and also will have some more resources, and to search how to make more money in order to so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.